Hello, hello. Let's do some finger picking. All right, here we go. Go ahead and get your finger picks. I have fingernails, so I'm going to use these things. But then again, you know that's what got me thrown out of piano class at Susquehanna. Okay. Yeah, those were the days. Here we go. Did you know about that? Anyhow, here we go. Well, because my tapping on it, I forget her name. What was her name? It was piano class. And she couldn't stand the tapping of my nails, and I just refused. You know, David Cullen was my guitar teacher, so I didn't do it. I guess that's in my permanent record or something. Anyhow, here we go. We bartered for a C. Anyhow, it's good to see you. All right, here we go. So hopefully you have your finger picks on. Here we go. What we're going to do is start with basic posture. In classical guitar and finger picking guitar, a lot of times you will hear people say, okay, this is proper technique. Well, let's start there. Let's start. My philosophy is no pain. You should be nice and loose and comfortable. So let's just go with what the book says first. What you want, if you have a racquetball or a handball, that's a good size, or a tennis ball. My dog ran away with my tennis ball. I mean, it is his. So I'm going to use this his squirrel, but I'm going to palm his head, okay? So we're going to act like the head right here is a tennis ball or a racquetball, and we place the ball in the palm of your picking hand. Okay, there you go. Check that out. There we go. And all you want to do is close your hand around it and turn it upside down. All right, so you have the ball in your hand. That's basically a beginning posture. All right, there it is. Just simple like that. And you can walk around with a racquetball or whatever, bounce it like Rocky, and I think it was Rocky 2 where he started bouncing that ball around. Sylvester Stallone. Yeah, here we go. So there it is. It's in your palm, and that's a good start. So there's a bend in your wrist here. Your wrist isn't like this. It's here. It should just hang loosely, naturally, even without the ball. Just nice and relaxed. There we go. No pressure, no strain, nothing. There you go. That's a good start. If you're into coin magic, you can, of course, do it with your guitar pick. Ta-da! Same thing here, but it's a little harder. $50 is a good place to start, but that's basically your posture. All right. So let's take that posture. No tension at all. Right, nice and loose. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out where we're going to place these fingers. So let's start with your thumb. Your thumb is going to be here on that low E string. Low E string is the thickest string on the guitar, and it's the one closest to your chin. All right, there we go. So that guy's ready. See my posture? It's nice and relaxed. It's as if I'm holding that ball in here. There, nice and relaxed. All right. So you have that. And what I would do is I would start let me back up. Let's get the rest of these fingers on here. Where are the rest of these fingers? Well, we have the thumb is at the low E string. That's its anchor. That's where we're going to keep that. That's our guide. Now, your first finger is going to go on the G string. Well, which one is the G string? Here's low E. Here's the A string. That's the fifth. The D string is the fourth. And put your first finger of your picking hand on that G string. All right? That's the third string. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where that guy goes. Then take your middle finger, your second finger, all right, and put that on the B string. That's the second string. 1, 2. I'm sorry, I just zoned out there. It's the second string. The B string is the second string. So you have the sixth string, fifth string, fourth string, third string, second string. Middle finger, second finger, first finger, second finger goes on that B, right? So you have your first finger on the G string, or on the third string. Your middle finger gets ready and anchors itself just touch it, really. You don't have to put any pressure on it. I'm doing it. I'm wiggling the string so you see it a little better. First finger on the G string, which is the third string. 1, 2, 3. Second finger, middle finger on the B string. See how they lay there nicely? And I use my third finger on the high E string. The high E string is the one closest to the floor. All right? So your thumb on the low E string, all right? And you can rest. They're at the ready. The soldiers are at the ready. First finger G string, middle finger or second finger on the B string, and the third on the high E. Some people play farther back here if they want a sharper tone, a little thinner, a little more direct. Other folks play closer to the neck of the guitar, all right, for a warmer tone. And some people just go by comfort, all right? I just generally go by comfort, and then if I need to bring something out, if I want to warm up a passage, I'll go here. If I really want something to stand out and sound down-home country, I'll get this back here closer to the bridge. Here's the bridge, all right? So let's place our fingers. You ready? All right, we have our first finger. You know what? I'll start another video because all that stuff, you don't have to repeat that or anything. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Ready? Okay.